Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you some of these. They're Born Pretty stamping gels. I've never used a stamping gel before, so I'm going to give it a try. Right, so I only bought 4 of these, so we're just going to have a look at the colours. So this is number 10. And get out the box, which is gold, a white gold. Ooh, that's quite nice actually. So that's number 10. And then I got number 11. Which is Silver Flower. It's quite nice as well. I got number 13. Which is White Lotus. And then last I got number 14. Which is Red Rose. So that's the colours there. Quite nice. So now I'm going to show you me doing some stamping with them. So I'm going to start with the red one. I've already got some display tips ready with different colours. So I'm just going to put a small line of this along the stamping plate and scrape it with my scraper. And just scrape it all the way down. And then in with my stamper and just roll it off. And place it on the nail. So once you're happy with this, you'll pop it in the lamp to cure. And I thought I would try and see how many times I could actually stamp with this. So I'm just cleaning off that stamper with my lint-free roller. And I'm going in again and just rolling off and picking up the design. So this will be ideal if you're doing like 2 hands of the same design, because you're only going to need to put in your gel 1 time. And I'm just trying again to see how much you can pick up, and as you can see, you can still pick it up. It is getting a bit patchy in places, so you would definitely get 2 nails out of this anyway. And again. So the good thing about this is you do not need to worry about your timing. You have all the time in the world. It will not set until you pop it in the lamp. So I'm just cleaning off that plate, and I'll clean my scraper as well. So once it comes out the lamp, you can just go in with your top coat and pop it back into cure, and that's that one finished. So now I'm going to come in and try the white. So same again, just putting a line across and then using your scraper to scrape it down. Now one thing I did notice is this does need a good scrape a good few times, just to allow that gel to get into all the little crevices. Once you're happy, place it on the nail. And pop it in the lamp. And I am going to show you again just how many times you can pick this up. So just cleaning off my stamper, rolling over it again, and again it's picked up really good. So just cleaning that again, and then I'm going to go in and roll it again just to show you. Okay, so now I'm going to try the gold out. So just the same again, I'm just going to pop it down in a line and give it a good scrape. So I'm just scraping that along just to ensure it gets into all those little gaps again. And then picking up with my stamper and placing it on the nail. Then again I'll pop it in the lamp to cure. So while that is in the lamp curing, I'm going to come in with my silver and just do the same again. So just placing it on the stamping plate and scraping it out. Now with this one, I've left it in just to show you, because as you can see it is really thick at parts, but I'm going to pick it up anyway, which wasn't very good, as you can see all the misty bits in the background. So I'm just going to clean that off and I'm going to give it a good scrape again. So scraping it off in different ways, like different angles, just to ensure that it is getting into all those little nooks and crannies. And I'll come in and pick up again with my stamper. And that worked better this time. So I'm just going to place that on the nail. And pop it in the lamp to cure again. So moving on to the white, which is the last colour. Just placing it on the stamping plate, giving it a really good scrape, dragging it all the way down, and then coming in and rolling on my stamper. Now I am going to tidy this up, so I'm coming in with my lint-free roller and I'm just going to remove the parts that I don't want. I really should have got a new bit of the roller, but we'll go with it anyway. So then I'm going to come in and place it on the nail where I want it to go. And with this one, I did only need to roll it once, because the small part at the bottom where I'm going to place the stamper, there were still enough on the stamper to place it without having to roll it on again. And then again pop it in the lamp to cure. Now with this one, it does leave like a sticky layer, so I did try and go in with pigment, which you can see here, but because I had been pressing it with my fingers to see if it was sticky, it did not let the pigment stick to all the places. But this is the finished design, guys. I really enjoyed working with this. I used to hate stamping and I couldn't do it, but now with these gels I'm going to carry on, and they come in all these different colours. Well guys, that's this video finished. I hope you have enjoyed watching. I hope you go and give these stamping gels a try, and I absolutely love them, so I will not use stamping polish again.